We did our book on the 5 senses. We have 5 senses to connect us to the world around us. They are vision, hearing, touch, taste, and smell. A nerve is a bunch of fiber that sends messages to the brain so we can react to our surroundings. A cell is the smallest part of the body. Our eyes have cells to help us see. There are 2 kinds of cells that help us see. Our eyes have lenses that focus on what we see. Our brain does not control this. We do it without thinking. Then our nerves take what we see to the brain to absorb the picture. This is how we see.
One kind of cell is a rod. Rods help you see in the night. They see only light and not color. That's why at night everything looks like shadows. Dogs see better than people do at night because their eyes have more rods. Another kind of cell is a cone. Cones let us see in the day. They help us see light and color. We see better than dogs do in the daytime because our eyes have more cones. Our ears let us hear. The sound waves pass from our outer ear, then to the middle ear, then the inner ear. Then the sound goes to the brain, and the brain decodes it. There are bumps on your tongue called taste buds. They help you taste food when you eat. Taste buds have sensory cells to help us taste things. When you eat, the sensory cells on your taste buds send messages to your nerves. Then the nerves send the message to the cerebral cortex, a part of the brain that lets you know when you taste something. We have taste buds to taste 5 flavors: sweet, sour, savory, bitter, and salty. We smell through our nose. High up our nose, there are sensory nerve cells. When those nerve cells sense a smell in the air, they send a message to the brain. The brain reads the message. That's how we can tell what something smells like. If you smell flowers, that's because your nerve cells sent a message to your brain, and your brain read the message. When you touch a hot plate, the nerve cells in your skin send a message to your brain. The message moves like dominoes on their way to the brain from one cell telling another nerve cell. When the brain reads the message, you know the plate is hot. The brain sends a message back to your cells so you can move your hand.